Did you know that the iPhone can take a full-page screenshot, capturing an entire page in one go? This feature works in apps that use WebKit, Apple's technology for displaying web pages and documents, such as Safari, Mail, Notes, Files, and Books. That's why you can create long screenshots of entire pages or documents there. However, in apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, or Messages, which do not use WebKit to display content, the full-page screenshot option is not available. In this video, I'll show you how to use this option where it works, and how to save your screenshot as a PDF directly on your iPhone. So, at the very beginning, I'll take Instagram as an example and open a private conversation in the DMs. Now, I'll take a screenshot of this conversation and simply open the screenshot I just made. You'll notice that the full-page screenshot option is not available. The iPhone will capture only the portion of the screen currently visible because Instagram doesn't use the technology that enables this feature. This is an important example that shows why full-page screenshots aren't supported in all apps. So, let's now move on to an app where this feature works. For example, Safari. Open the Safari app and go to any website of your choice. I'll use the official Apple website as an example. Here you can see that this site is a long page that can be scrolled from top to bottom. Such content is ideal for making a full-page screenshot. If you've also found content like this that extends over the entire page, here's what you need to do. Take a screenshot by pressing the volume up button and the lock button simultaneously. Then tap on the screenshot thumbnail to open it. You'll see two different options at the top: Screen and Full Page. Tap on Full Page, and you'll be able to view the entire page. You can scroll along the right side of the screen to see everything that was captured. If you don't want the whole page, you can crop it by tapping the Crop tool in the top left corner. Adjust the frame as you wish. Then tap Done in the top left corner. A pop-up window will appear explaining that content outside the cropped area might not be visible in most PDF viewers, but some apps can display the entire content. This means that the content you cropped out is not completely removed from the file. It is just hidden. Most PDF viewers will display only the cropped portion you saved. However, some apps can read and display what remains outside that cropped frame. Therefore, if you share the document, keep in mind that someone using certain apps might be able to see the part you tried to remove. Tap Done in the top left corner to finish editing. Then select the Save PDF to Files option to save the document. Choose your preferred location on your iPhone or iCloud drive and tap Save. Now let's try another app where full-page screenshots also work: Notes. Open a note that contains a lot of text so that it can be scrolled, as shown on my screen. Then take a screenshot the same way as before, by pressing the volume up button and the lock button simultaneously. Open the screenshot, select the full page option, and you'll see that you can also save the entire content of the note as a PDF, just like we did in Safari. Once you save the document, it will be stored as a PDF file in the Files app, in the location you previously selected. And that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you very much for watching, and see you very soon.